very, very different from what it is now. Even though I've lived in Nashville all my life and I've watched it grow, I'm still amazed every time I go out and see the administration building right in the middle of what used to be Centennial Boulevard. As I said, I majored in home economics, and at that time home economics was housed on the third floor of what I think it's still called the Women's Building, but it was the building where the main cafeteria was. It was much smaller at that time, and it was during or right after the Second World War, and there were a lot of barracks on the campus where veterans lived, and we even had some of our classes. All of the sociology and psychology classes that I took were in what they call the GI buildings, and those were little temporary barrack-like buildings on the campus. The cafeteria was the center of the life of the campus, and it was a nurturing environment, and that's another thing that I think we still have going for us in the historically black colleges and universities, because it was small enough that our teachers knew us, and just like our teachers in high school, they knew that we didn't have all the resources that some of the other universities had, but they made up for the lack of resources and some of the things that they did for us, even if it involved using their own money. And I always said, once I started teaching, that I was sort of glad that I went to a college that did not have all of the latest and most modern conveniences, because we learned to be creative, and we learned to be able to use our own ingenuity, our own resources, and to take what we had and make what we want.